with one of last year's idols. Next station. American Idol was just
The media want to
amazing experience. You could have a career, man, in country music. Country is definitely my roots. I've recorded an album, it's due out April 29th, and I'm absolutely proud of this record. If you didn't love, with as much as I travel, I
If you didn't know.
just cherish every moment I get with my wife. It's home to more than just country music. Outside of Nashville, we caught up with one of Idol's
ပြီတယ်သူကသူ့ကိုရိုက်မှန်းပြီ
မဟုတ်ဘူးလို့ချင်းနေတာ
ဟုတ်လေအဲ့ဒါဒီပစ္စည်းကသူ့ကိုလုံးဝ
season 4.
You are the real deal, Mo. I'm so proud to be a part of this.
ဟင်း
The past couple of years have been pretty rough for me. I had intestinal surgery there at the end, Vital. I spent 60 days literally in a
အ
hospital.
မီးလည်းပါ
Three surgeries to get my stomach right. It took its toll on me, and look, take a year. You know, I did. I took that year off.
မျိုးပိုက်ထားကိုကို
I
တက်
built
နေ
a recording studio.
Oh,
started a
Melanie.
record label.